Hey there guys, in this video we are solving a couple algebraic fractions equations. These are questions from past papers. You can download them in the description down below. This is my third video on algebraic fractions exam questions. The first two videos are available down in the playlist linked in the description. Let's do this. Okay then, first up, for 4 marks, we want to solve x over x add 4 and 7 over x minus 2 equals 1. So, there are a couple ways we can do this. Either convert each fraction into a common denominator, or multiply through by each denominator separately. That's the way I'm going to do these, because I think it's probably easier to follow. So, if we multiply through by x add 4, we get x add 7 over x minus 2 times x add 4, and on the right we get 1 times x add 4. Next, I'm going to multiply through by x minus 2. So that's going to give me x times x minus 2 add 7 lots of x add 4. And on the right, that is now x add 4 times x minus 2. Next, we need to expand all the brackets. So x times x minus 2 is x squared minus 2x. And then we got add 7x, add 28. And on the right, x add 4 times x minus 2. Make sure you can get x squared, add 2x minus 8. Okay, now we need to simplify it. So on the left, we have x squared plus 5x, add 28. On the right, again we have x squared, add 2x, minus 8. Okay, now, quite happily, there is an x squared on both sides, so we can subtract an x squared from both sides. That leaves us with 5x, add 28 is equal to 2x minus 8. Now subtract 2x from both sides, we get 3x. Add 28 is equal to minus 8. Subtract 28, we get 3x is equal to minus 36. Divide by 3, and finally we get x is minus 12. Okay, number 2, this time 5 marks. We want to solve x over 4 minus 2x over x add 2 is equal to 1. Give your solutions to 2 decimal places. You must show you're working. So, given the fact we're told to give our solutions, 2 decimal places, that means this is actually a quadratic. And because we want the answers to 2 decimal places, that's telling us we're not going to be able to factorise the quadratic, so we're going to need to use the formula. Before we get there though, let's sort out the fractions. So again, I'm going to multiply through by each denominator separately. So first up, I'm going to multiply through by 4. So that's going to give me x minus 8x over x add 2 is equal to 4. Then I'm going to multiply through by x add 2, so I get x times x add 2 minus 8x is equal to 4 lots of x add 2. Okay, now we need to expand brackets. So x times x add 2 is x squared add 2x. Then we have minus 8x. And on the right we have 4x add 8. Okay, now on the left we have x squared minus 6x. On the right we have 4x add 8. Now to solve a quadratic, you always need everything on the same side with a 0 on the other. So we're going to subtract 4x and 8. So we're going to get x squared minus 10x minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so now it's time to start thinking about the formula. So, if you can't remember the formula, there it is. So this is on my formula book. If you haven't checked out this video yet, then it is linked down below. So for us, A is 1, B is minus 10, C is minus 8. So x is equal to minus 10, so that's 10, plus or minus square root of minus 10 squared, so that's 100, minus 4 times 1 times minus 8, so that's add 32, and then that's all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So x then is 10 plus or minus root 132 all over 2. At this point, we need our calculators. For the 2 decimal places, we should get x is minus 0.74 and 10.74. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you found this algebraic fractions playlist useful. Remember, I have a whole playlist of downloadable past paper exam questions on all sorts of topics linked down below. If you have any requests or you want any more algebraic fraction stuff, just let me know down below in a comment.